3. Borstal Boy, from Rebecca Porter. 2. Pimlico Opera Company, date April 2014. To whom it may concern, my producer will be contacting you with a working libretto for consideration. It's called Borstal Boy and is a mature piece of work at an advanced stage of editing, rewriting. It will fit well within the ethos of the Pimlico Opera Company, as it concerns redemption within a prison setting. This project is ready to be revised for staging with a view to touring prisons and is an original piece inspired by the early life of my producer, as told in his book Borstal Boys. It's the story of a bad lad made good. My involvement in the project has been limited to writing the libretto, which Davy Clarke owns, as it is his life story. I'm hopeful that this project will be staged, as it is a brilliant tale. Yours sincerely, Rebecca Porter. Click here to view the birth of a punk opera.